In terms of locating trustworthy surveyors in Uttam Nagar, SCON Design in Delhi stands out. SCON Design has established itself as a reliable supplier of surveying services in the Uttam Nagar region because to their breadth of experience and depth of knowledge in the sector. Their staff of expert surveyors can help you precisely measure and map your property whether you are a homeowner, a business owner, or a developer. At various stages of construction and development projects, surveyors play a critical role. They are essential in establishing property lines, depicting terrain contours, and supplying precise dimensions for architectural plans. SCON Design has established a name in Uttam Nagar for their accuracy and attention to detail when it comes to these duties. For accurate results, their team of surveyors is furnished with the most recent equipment. They are aware of the significance of providing accurate measurements and maps that builders, engineers, and architects can trust. In Delhi's Uttam Nagar, many residential and commercial projects are now under construction. SCON Design has established itself as a go-to supplier for surveyors in Uttam Nagar as the demand for trustworthy surveying services keeps rising. Their crew ensures that their surveys adhere to all relevant standards because they have in-depth knowledge of the regional laws and zoning requirements. They are an invaluable resource for anyone wishing to develop or restore houses in Uttam Nagar because of their knowledge and experience. SCON Design is proud of their focus on the needs of the client. They are aware that every project is different and needs individualized care. Whether you require a topographic survey for a major commercial development or a boundary survey for a small residential plot, their experts will collaborate closely with you to comprehend your unique needs and achieve your expectations. SCON Design in Delhi is a name that stands out while looking for trustworthy surveyors in Uttam Nagar. SCON Design has made a name for itself as a reliable supplier of surveying services in the Uttam Nagar region, thanks to their deep industry knowledge and experience. Whether you are a business owner, homeowner, or developer, their staff of qualified surveyors can help you precisely measure and map your land. Surveyors play a critical role at different stages of building and development projects. They are essential for establishing property lines, tracing out the contours of the ground, and supplying precise dimensions for building plans. When it comes to these jobs, SCON Design in Uttam Nagar has established a reputation for accuracy and attention to detail. The most up-to-date equipment and tools are provided to their team of surveyors to ensure precise results. They are aware of the significance of giving architects, engineers, and constructors accurate measurements and maps they can trust. The Delhi neighborhood of Uttam Nagar is quickly growing, and various residential